Hello friends, myself Dr. Linu Dubey and I am today going to teach you about molecular basis of inheritance for the class 12 biology CBSE. Under this topic, my second topic is Hershey and Chase experiment. And in my previous lecture, I have explained about this average and Griffith experiment. You can go through it. Subscribe the channel and you will be updated with the upcoming videos. So, the genetic material is DNA. This is Hershey and Chase experiments. So, A.D. Hershey and Martha Chase in 1952, they carried out some experiments with viruses that infect bacteria called bacteriophage. So, bacteriophage T2 they used. So, it infects the common colony bacillus, that is Escherichia coli. So, this virus is composed of about 50% DNA and 50% protein. So, why did they choose virus? Because it is the smallest living organism and it has your simple structure, and so the production is also very fast. It is around 15 to 20 minutes for some bacterial viruses. Also, it is an obligate parasite that can reproduce only in appropriate host cells, and their reproduction is totally dependent on host mechanism. And by then, this was the only organism which was highly studied, virus. And by that time, it was very confusing that protein was a genetic material or something else was a genetic material. Many of the scientists they were claiming that protein is the genetic material. So let's study about it. So what was the basis of Hershey and Chase experiment? The basis was that they said that DNA contains phosphorus but no sulfur, and protein contains sulfur but no phosphorus. On the basis of this, they used this radioactive phosphorus and sulfur. Here is a diagram of your bacteriophage T4. It is consists of your, this is as a whole, it is called head, capsid head, and there is your DNA, and there is your collar, sheet, and basal and tail fiber, which we don't need to understand all this. This is the main thing. And in coat you have protein, and this is the Escherichia coli BSD2, and this is the append of tube which is generally used in experiment after centrifugation. You will get a supernatant and a palate. DNA settled in the palate, and supernatant is the liquid part of the experiment. So what did they do? First, we should know that viruses infects your bacteria are known as bacteriophage, and this bacteriophage, when they infect bacterial cell, genetic material virus acts as is on genetic material. That is genetic material of virus. The bacteria, it considers the genetic material of virus as is on genetic material, and then what did they do? They start producing more virus particles instead of the on. So this bacteria now starts working for the virus, and as a result of which Hershey and Chase wanted to know whether this was protein or DNA which enters in the cell and directs the cells to work for it. So what did they do? They chose two medium, one containing radioactive medium, that is P32, and another radioactive sulfur medium containing S35, and then the virus was grown on both the medium separately. And then the radioactive DNA but no radioactive protein was found in containing the medium P32, whereas the radioactive protein but no radioactive DNA was found in the medium containing S35. So what was the reason for it? The reason was that DNA contained phosphorus but no protein, whereas your DNA does not contain sulfur. So then they infected this radioactive virus with your E. coli. So in the first case they infected this P32, they made infection for 10 minutes, and they went for wearing blender. Blending makes the phase coat sheared off. This is a phase coat, and it will be sheared off, means it will break down, and on centrifugation virus particles get separated, and we get two phases that I have already said, that is one supernatant and one is palate. So in palate it contains DNA, where P32 was detected, whereas in supernatant P32 was absent, and in supernatant protein coat is there. In the next case, they infected your Escherichia coli with S35, and the same way they made infection for 10 minutes, and after wearing blender, the face coat was sheared off, and then on centrifugation, various particles were separated. In this case, in pellet which contains DNA, S35 was absent. S35 was absent, whereas it was present in the supernatant which contains protein coat. So, the conclusion is that the bacteria infected with P32 contained radioactive DNA, while the bacteria infected with radioactive S35 were not radioactive. So, only DNA, not the protein coat, entered the bacterial cell from the viruses. So, that's the genetic material that is passed from virus to bacteria, DNA. That conclusion came. Later on, some finding proved that RNA was also genetic material in few viruses like tobacco mosaic virus, UV bacteriophage, etc. But basically, DNA is the genetic material in all the cases. So, children, lots to learn. Keep learning. If you liked it, please subscribe it so that you can watch the upcoming videos. Thank you.